Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1inch. The whole peculiarity and essential focal point of this digital money is the programmability and capability as decentralized finance conglomeration specialist organization 1inch Trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. Execution of tasks under unambiguous circumstances to guarantee convenience, security, and usefulness. 1inch has acquired remarkable importance. Before we start with definite 1inch cost expectation, actually take a look at the outline. 1inch that has a significant effect. 1inch conveyed numerous tokens. Nonetheless, the local token 1inch became renowned as an administration and utility token, and 1inch cost conjectures related news began flowing on the lookout. The most important element that moves development is the cost of the 1inch token, making the speed and reasonableness that empower faster execution upgrades, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. The 1inch convention gives the stage to exchanging, tracking down the best arrangements across numerous decentralized trades. 1inch associations. Once the 1inch extended to Binance, there was rivalry among opponents to trade by means of 1inch in light of token cost. As said by Sergej Kuntz, fellow benefactor at 1inch organization, at present the 1inch conglomeration convention is now conveyed on Polygon, while the 1inch liquidity convention and the 1inch administration convention are supposed to extend over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and brokers getting to 1inch through others like Polygon benefit colossally. Clients likewise benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in view of token costs. The 1inch test system. The previously mentioned move of trading digital currencies gives 1inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Bend, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so forth. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon, are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this token and work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the primary Ethereum blockchain. Venture 1inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized particulars to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among endeavors advancing liquidity mining. 1inch value forecasts, market feeling. 1inch can be a productive speculation choice in the DeFi area. In light of our 1inch cost forecast 2022, the token could cross 16 cents. A drawn-out increment is likewise expected. The cost visualization for 2026 is 5 cents. As indicated by our 1inch cost forecast 2022, the token will be around $1.84 toward the finish of 2022. Also, by 2026, it could exchange around $2.47. In light of the most recent news updates and estimates, it is an extraordinary chance to put resources into 1inch tokens, as it might cross $5.21 in 1 year. Beginning 2022, 1inch ought to show incredible potential, and the determined most minimal cost of 1inch could be around the $5 mark. An aggressive bullish viewpoint for 2022 has been made by our estimate, making 1inch a beneficial speculation on a crypto expectation site in the year's blast. It claims 2022 will be an impeccable year for 1inch on the trade, and the quad's greatest cost will be around $2.82 to enter 2022 during a similar period. The 1inch cost could arrive at somewhere near the $5 to $10 mark in the following couple of months according to our cost estimate. At the hour of composing this crypto cost gauge, the ongoing cost of 1inch is exchanging around $1.28, and information demonstrates that the token has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year, with a circling supply of 412,981,641 inch. The 24 hours volume has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost figures bring a few factors into account, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. 1inch value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that 1inch is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the limits of a balanced triangle on the graph. It is obvious that 1inch also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting $3.70 cost mark, making it an important speculation. 1inch value forecast 2023. Going by the investigation of short and long haul cost patterns, Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for 1ch cost for acceleration, particularly with other crypto rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the diagram. There is an estimated possibility of 1ch causing a misfortune, however, just small, dropping to $4.40. 1ch value forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is indeed gauged that 1ch would manage the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the very that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows 1ch can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, in contrast with other digital forms of money like BTC and ETH. 1ch value forecast 2025. This year could check as the benchmark year, as 1ch coin cost is anticipated to outperform $6 definitely, principally in light of the fact that this year, no pivotal elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economy, and it is guessed that a large portion of the harm done to the coin would be making a course for fix work in every single world economy. 1ch value expectation 2026. It isn't not exactly incredible information. What started with a 1ch cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark. Subsequently, it has supported the market opinion peculiarity radically. Merchants and financial backers have begun wagering on the long run for the 1ch development, following its worth intently as a venture choice. Consequently, the 1ch cost forecast 2026 remaining parts very reassuring, expressing that the cost could leap to $6.20 by December. 1ch value expectation past 2026. Master merchants of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain instead of present moment because of the component of instability. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back by 1ch token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically, by when 1ch would be not anymore a credulous contestant in the realm of digital forms of money. In any case, a carefully prepared player crossing costs $3.32 on the graph, making it profoundly beneficial. Does 1ch have a future? 1ch is one cryptographic money that will have a savvy and brilliant future, driving the cost on the lookout. Riding the crypto wave, it will lead the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long rule for merchants. Is 1ch a wise venture? Indeed. Be that as it may, a reasonable level of effort is consistently prudent to post perusing the market outline for cost expectation, watching the interest and supply rise and fall patterns. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required. On the off chance that you make a smart venture in view of cost expectation, keep a watch on the site. Is 1ch a trick or genuine? In spite of all discussions and debates, 1ch uncovers an exceptionally solid and dynamic indication of a biological system for speculation. You are encouraged to carefully follow the 1ch future value expectations and specialized examination. Where might I at any point purchase 1ch? At this moment, you can purchase 1ch at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your record arrangement at one of the trades that exchange 1ch,